Demander.
means to ask. In this video, we will learn how to say the verb to ask in the future tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. To conjugate the verb in future tense, we need to know the verb and the future ending, which we have already learned in our earlier video. To refresh your knowledge, here is the table of future ending that we have learned. Now, we have the subject pronoun, the verb and the future ending. Let's see how we combine this to conjugate the verb in future tense. I will ask.
Je demanderai.
You will ask in formal way.
Tu demanderas.
He will ask masculine.
Il demandera.
She will ask feminine.
Elle demandera.
We will ask formal way.
Nous demanderons.
You will ask formal way.
Vous demanderez.
They will ask group of males or mixed people.
Ils demanderont.
They will ask group of only females.
Elles demanderont.
Now that we've conjugated the verb in the future tense, let's explore some examples. I will ask for advice from my teacher.
Je demanderai des conseils à mon professeur. Je demanderai des conseils à mon professeur.
You will ask your friend for the time.
Tu demanderas l'heure à ton ami. Tu demanderas l'heure à ton ami.
He will ask his boss for a day off.
Il demandera un jour de congé à son patron. Il demandera un jour de congé à son patron.
She will ask her sister for a favor.
Elle demandera une faveur à sa sœur. Elle demandera une faveur à sa sœur.
We will ask for information at the reception.
Nous demanderons des renseignements à l'accueil. Nous demanderons des renseignements à l'accueil.
You will ask for a table for two at the restaurant.
Vous demanderez une table pour deux au restaurant. Vous demanderez une table pour deux au restaurant.
They will ask the teacher for explanations.
Ils demanderont des explications au professeur. Ils demanderont des explications au professeur.
They will ask their mother for advice.
Elles demanderont des conseils à leur mère. Elles demanderont des conseils à leur mère.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time.
Je demanderai. Tu demanderas. Il demandera. Elle demandera. Nous demanderons. Vous demanderez. Ils demanderont. Elles demanderont.
For quick reference, I have organized the verb conjugations into a structured table. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.